Hi, my dear students. Good morning, everyone. Dear students, this is Satya sir of your English teacher. So, today we will start a new chapter, chapter number 9. So, dear students, let's go to the chapter. So, dear students, this is your chapter number 9, a memorable journey. So, this is written by Christina Georgina Rusty. So, students, this is a memorable journey of the narrator. So, first narrator tells of its memory with his mother and his father journey. The first he starts, it was a memorable journey with my mother. Let me take you along to Mumbai Central Railway Stations. The students, are you traveling a journey with his mother, with your mother and with your father? So you know about how much pleasure feel when you are traveling with your parents. So here narrator travels with his mother. So a train journey. It was 1930. Dear students, can you see your 1930? That means it is the time of railway. That means 7:30. Only 15 minutes were left for the Mumbai New Delhi Rajdhani to depart. My dad was nervous because my mother was traveling with me and without him for the first time. Dear students, when you are traveling first time journey without your parents, what you feel? So here the writer and his mother first time traveling a journey without his father. So his father feels very nervousness about the matter. Daddy means a writer's father. I have set your luggage under your berth, so be comfortable. I call you, I will call you every now and then. Mommy, that means narrator's mommy, says, don't worry, we will be fine. Tanya, the narrator, yes, he is very exclaimed, surprised. Will be fine, daddy. The train whistles a signal for dad to get down. He weeps with a worried frown on his face because narrator's father are very upset about this because narrator and his mother are traveling first time without help of his father. Tanya, what fun, mummy! The train has picked up speed already. Mummy, yes, be careful while walking around. Dear students, when you are traveling by train, at that time you should care yourself. So that same like uh, narrator's mother are saying to narrator, be careful while walking around. A rich Irma filled our compartment as the stewards brought soup. The TT, that means travel ticket examiner, arrives with a pleasant smile. He checks tickets along with photo ID cards and leaves. Dear students, when you are traveling with train by train, there are a persons named TT who checks ticket. Mommy, be careful with the soup. Tanya, it is steaming hot. Use the food table. Sit comfortably. Do you what help? Want help? Want help, dear students. At that time, narrator drinks some soup. At that time, his mother tells him to sit comfortably and Tanya, no, mommy, I will manage. Mommy smiles, all right. Tanya, what is the matter, mommy? You look dull. Mommy, no, Tanya, I am fine. At that time, narrators looks to his mother's face, and his mother look very dull. At that time, he wants to speak about his matter, but in reply, mother tells him, "No, I am fine." As a soft instrumental music plays in the background, food is served. At that time, the students, when we are traveling by train, bus, car, their music plays. It is very pleasure moment. Tanya, lovely food, but the best is the ice cream. What fun! After eating food, I climb to my top must berth and settle with the latest Tintin comic that I had purchased from the book stall at the railway station platform. And mommy settles down in the middle berth. At that time, after eating food, Tanya wants to speak to his mother. I want to read a book, very interesting book, comic book. He had purchased from the bookstall at the railway platform, and mommy settles down in the middle berth. Around midnight, the train comes to its first stop. I climb down and peep out into the darkness of the night to read the signboard that says Surat. But suddenly I hear a groan. Someone touches in darkness, another painful groan. I peep carefully to find it's my mother. Tanya, what happened, mommy? Are you in pain? So, dear students, at that time, a narrator wants to describe about the journey of with his mother. So, I hope it was scene 1. On next class, we will continue second scene and second phase. So, thank you. Have a good day for you, my dear. Stay home, save life. Best of luck.